All right, good morning. So let us start our class. We stop at this example and we are going to start with exercise in class 3. So exercise in class 3, if you read this question, you may come out with this table. It's just in this question I forgot to insert one information to mention that it is a normal distribution. So please insert here, if the mean height of type A and B are normally distributed, find the probability that the mean of type A is 2 feet more than the type B. So we're going to find whether we're going to find what is the probability that type A is more than type B more than 2 feet. So how to write this? Find the probability that the mean type A is 2 feet more than the mean of type B. So either you think like this first, A is equal to B plus 2 because A must be more than B. You think like this first, alright? You write like this. Your thought process should start from here. A is equal to B plus 2 because A is 2 feet more than mean of type B. Then of course mean of type B means I should write like this. The proper way is A and then should be like this. But they say more than, isn't it? So you change the equal to more than. That's how the process starts. So we're going to find this probability. Okay. In another way of thinking this is just identify which one is higher. Identify which mean is higher. So in this case, which one is more? In this case, mean A is more. So you minus the smallest value from the highest value, you should get 2. Why? Because they already mentioned here 2. But then it is not equal, it is more than. Again, you get the same idea. Anyway, we will go through some exercise in the tutorial. Hope you get the idea. Now in this case, if you want to solve this, then it would be, the starting point should be P this would be the starting point. The rest of the computation is exactly the same from the previous one. So this would be the Z greater than 2 minus 14.8 12.9 divided by root of you will get this answer. Okay. Now that is exercise in class 3. Now we have finished the slide. Of course, there's 2 more slides here. T distribution and F distribution. These two slides I will go through later on. Now let us move on to tutorial 4, chapter 4, exercise 1. If you read this, departmental manager believes that the average value of large population invoice. So this is your variable is invoices. What is the probability? The sample mean is alright. So I just put here 1, A I will put here so that we can use the information for all the question. P X bar less than 9.5 . This is the answer for A. For B, the same thing, same process. Now they want above, so greater than 10.75. If you do this, your answer should be 0.01222. Alright. The answer sometimes may differ by decimals due to different tables, but no problem. You just refer to the table I sent to you, PPA, okay, and then try to fix it. Now C. Above 11. And this one should give you 0.00135. Alright, that's how you do first question. The second question, the mean salary of business studies graduate 1 year after graduating is, so X is salary, and standard deviation is, what is the probability that the random sample N is 49 at a mean salary at least. So P X bar at least is greater or equal to 13,000. 'If you do this, give me some time. 2.69, 2.69. Okay. Two 2.6 is here, 9 is here, therefore this one, 357. That is the answer for question 2. Question 3. What is our x? The restaurant claimed that her weekly turnover is normally distributed standard deviation is 115 normally distributed and n is 25. Less than give me some time. This would give you negative 1.30, and if you look at the table, that would give you 0.068. That is 3A. 3B would like to do on the site. it is above greater than 3190. So if you compute this, you will get this one, and from the table the answer should be 0.00453. as I told you, some numbers in the decimals might differ. 2.61, 2.61. Here you get 0.00453. Okay. All right, that is question 3B. Now between 311 and these two numbers, right, in this, if you refer the table, you should get 1 minus 0.1922 minus 0.015. I suppose I don't need to draw the bell shape. You should know by right now, if you have done all the tutorials for normal. This is the answer for number 3. Number 4. This is number 3. We are going for number 4 now. Given a normal distribution with mean, so x we don't know, we just write it's a normal distribution with mean 100, standard deviation 10, and sample is 25. Less than 95. Your answer should be 0.00621. 0.056 minus 0.00621. Your answer is 56 minus 0.09939. Now number 3, this is A2. You should get 1.357. Okay. This is C. Now let us go for B. For B, there is a 65% chance that the sample mean is above what value, which means you need to find the K now. So let's say X bar is greater than K (0.65). Let's say my M is, this is exactly we did it for the normal distribution, if you recall back. Let's say I denote my M like this. Then I can rewrite this again. (0.65). If I convert this to right hand side, remember when we convert this to the other side, this should be negative, and this is our 0.65. And what about this? Because from the table we need to read from the right hand side, this would be 0.35. So from the table, from Z table, negative m is equal to 0.39. Okay, you can see 0.5. The nearest to 0.5 is this one, so I choose 0.3 and 9 as m. Alright, so replace back. What is your m? K minus 0 divided by 10, 25 is equal to 0.39. If you do some algebraic computation, you get 9922. That is your K. Alright, that is regarding question 4. Now let us move on to question 5. The mean time to download the home page for the Internal Revenue Service was so this is actually X is time to download. The mean time is 0.8. and standard deviation is 0.2 square. If you select a random sample of 30 download times, so A is, what is the probability sample mean is less than you get 0.0853. B between 0.7 and 0.9. Right now you should have the confidence on doing this kind of question now, because you can see the pattern is almost the same. If you solve this would be 1 minus 2p This is the answer. The probability is 90% that the sample mean is less than what value? So this is almost same with the previous number 4b. It's a bit slightly different, that's all. We have to find the k again. The b was greater, I think. Greater. So c is, the probability is 90% that the sample mean is less than what value. Now it is less, but the method is same. Again, let us denote m by 0k minus 0.8. And so if I draw this, your m is here, and this would be 0.1 0.9. So we are going to look at the red color one, which is 0.1. So from Z table, my m is 1.28. You can find that easily and convert the m back to, in terms of k, 0.2, 1.28, and your k is 0.8467. That is your C. Hope you guys understand this, get the idea. It's almost the same with the normal. The difference is it has a sample n. It has a sample size. Number 6. The mean time to down. Number 6 just now finish. It's not what number. Oh, number 6 finish. Sorry. Then it's almost the same anyway. Number 6 also mean time to download home page. Number 6 is what? Number 5 is what? Again, it's a home page. Okay, let us do number 6. What is the difference? It's almost the same. So again, this is X is time to download. X is normally distributed. (2.5) standard deviation 0.5. Random sample is 13. What is the probability that sample mean is less than 2.75? Sample mean is less than 2.75. So let us do this. Okay, we end up here. Let us do some computation. Two point seven four. In this case, I can clearly see that it is 1 minus 2.74 . 2.74 here, 2.7, 4 is here. Your answer should be 0.99693. Number 6A. 6A, yeah, that is the answer. Now 6B. What is the probability the sample means between? This would be P 2.74. Oh no, not 2.74, sorry. I was carried away with the previous one. So let us compute this. Somehow we have to compute this. 0.2. This would be 2 point and 0.4 divided by this, let me double check. And this one would be alright. This is this would be in between 2.19. So what is the value for 2.19 then? .19. This one. Let us see what is the answer for this. Question 6b. So for question 6b here is supposed to be if you draw the bell shape, is supposed to be 2.19 and this one is 4.38. Since you don't have the 4.38 in the table, see, you have to find this one. So what you do, you take 2.19 from the table is 2.19 is 0.01426, and then you have to minus the 4.38, is it? But in the table you don't have 4.38, the maximum number is 4.0, so you take the maximum number here. Okay, from the table we will get, this is the answer. And 6c, the probability is 90% that the sample mean is less than what value? Less than k. K minus, what was the value just now? 2.5. Divided by 0.5, n is 30, equal to 0.9. Now let us denote m as k minus 0.5, 0.5, this would be z m your m is here, so this is 0.9. This one would be 0.1. So from the table, from Z table, m is, I think we have this in the previous question, it's almost the same, 1.28, k minus 2.5, 0.5, with some algebraic computation we will get 2.62. Are we getting that? 2.62. Yeah, that is answer. All right. So this is 2.62. This is the answer for question 6. All right. So I think the first 6 question is the first single sample. You only see one sample there, one group, one sample, and another 6 question is 2 sample. So we are going for question 7 now. The length of computer dash is approximately normally distributed. Find the probability the mean sample of so the table is given there. Find the probability mean sample of length of computer dash produced by factory B is greater than A. It's greater than A. 0.006336, that is answer for 7. For 8, consider the two population of students who participate in a reading program prior to taking a Japanese course. The populations are those who earn A grade and those who are B grade, normally distributed. Find the probability the mean number of book read by A, group A, is greater than group B. Give me some time, I need to compute this. You will get negative 2.58 and your answer is 1 minus 0.00494. .99506. That is the answer for 8. Going for number 9 now. For number 9, the usage of electricity at residential area A. So there are A and B. We have to do a table here. Two samples of 20 and 25 are randomly selected. Find it is normally distributed. Okay, and find the probability that the mean of usage A is lower than the mean of usage B. Here your answer should be 0.37. Okay, so let me double check. Always double check. Okay, not only me, you also have to double check. Okay, 0.37. So the answer should be 1 minus 0.35. Yeah, that is answer number 9. Now we are going for number 10. The company manufactures two type of cables, brand A and brand B, that have been breaking strength. Again, A you have to do a table. A, B, mean, standard deviation, sample size. Mean is A and B have a mean break, so mean is here 4000, this is 4500, standard deviation 300, 200, 100 here and 50 here, sample size. What they want, what is the probability that the mean breaking strength of B will be at least 600 more than brand A? So first of all, the thought process, how you should think, identify which one is higher, the mean breaking strength of brand A or brand B, which one? Okay, look at this look at this look at this sentence. The probability that the mean breaking strength of brand B will be at least 600 kg more than brand A. So which one is higher? B is higher. B is higher. So of course you have to minus with A. How much it is more? 600. That's how you have to think. That's how you have to start your thinking process, thought process. Identify which one is more. Minus the other one. How much more is it? 600, but don't put equal here. They say at least. At least means greater or equal. So you start from here. Alright. If you do this, you will get 0.00755. That is answer. Question 11. Again, company manufactures two type of polysterenes, type A and type B. The mean is 400, 150. Standard deviation is 30, 20, 'Now again look at here, probability that the mean breaking strength B will be at most more than, okay, which one is more, identify which one is more, A or B. Type B will be at most 53 gram more than type A. So more than type A means B is more, minus the A. How much it is more? 53. Since they say at most, don't put equal, you put at most. If you try to do this, you will get the answer as 0.7486. That is the answer for 11. And is this the last one? Yeah, last one, 12. We are moving to 12 now. The elasticity of polymer is affected by the concentration of a reactant. When low concentration is used, the true mean elasticity is 55, and when high concentration is used, the mean elasticity is 60. So there are two portion, two section, two group. Whichever way you want to see these questions, up to you. So I just put it here. Before that, let me draw the table. Low, high concentration, mean, standard deviation, sample size, (55), 60. The standard deviation is 4 regardless of the concentration. Regardless of concentration, low and high is 4. Normally distributed, 2 random, sample of size 2 random, low and high is 16 and 16. Find the probability that the difference mean between high concentration and low concentration is more than 2. This is very straightforward, very straightforward. Mean of high, difference means minus, and low is more than 2. It is very straightforward. Just follow the sentence. If you do this, and your answer should be 0.983. Okay, this is the answer for 12. So we have done from 1 till 12, 6 single sample, 6 questions for 2 samples, and hope you guys get the idea how to find the solution for any question related to sampling distribution which is covered in this syllabus. All right, this would be your second question in your final. So we have covered this in the class. So altogether 3 chapters is covered. 3 chapters is covered, whichever is related to the final. Try to do all the past year papers. Okay, for right now, if you read any past year papers, you should be able to identify question related to special probability, correlation regression, and also sampling distribution. So try to do that and send me the answer for verification whether you have done it right or wrong. With that, thank you very much. I'll see you guys in next class. Take care and stay safe. Bye.